Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for coming back. This is Resourceful Marcus. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this handheld garment clothes steamer made by Butero. So this is a portable one. I'm going to see what this is going to do. This just rolled in the other day. Get it opened up here and see what kind of goodies we got inside. Okay. Now let's lower the camera down here for you. Bear with me. Lower down so you can actually see what I'm doing here. Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Actually, maybe I should have left it up here so I can show you that way. Get a better shot here what I'm trying to do. Okay, forgive me, as I'm a one-man crew and that's how I'm roll, and this is what I'm doing. All right, so that's the box there. I'm gonna open her up. Okay, and we're gonna see what we got here. So we got the instruction manual. I don't read instruction manuals much myself. You feel free to do that. That looks like that's a lint remover. That's pretty cool. Oh, they give you a little measuring cup. Interesting. That's a little brush. I guess that would remove lint off garments as well. It's got little bristles on it. Attachments. And then we got this puppy here. Now, wow. It's got some weight to it. I'll say that. It's got some weight to it. Kind of a nice length of cord here. Yeah. Alright, so that's, what does it say here? Important. This unit was thoroughly tested by our factories. Alright, so they already tested it. They put it through a little test run, I guess. It's a little sticker they got on there telling you ahead of time. Alright, stick that there. Pretty long cord here. Alright, looks like it's pretty easy to use. You got your trigger there, and then you can walk it in. These two little buttons here, I would say take this, there you go. Now it looks like there's a little filter in there. I don't know if you can really see it. It looks like there's a little filter in there. So now we got to put some water in this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera now to another area where I'm going to shoot the rest of the video, so just bear with me, alright? Alright, so now I'm over by the sink here, and I'm going to take that little measuring cup thing they give you, and I'm going to fill it up here. Okay, so just let me get over this way here for a second. Now there's like a little rubber plug here. You got to pull that back. See this little rubber plug here? Alright, put some water in there and see what happens. So I would say it holds about 200 mils of water approximately. I think on interwebs it said it held 8 ounces. Alright, so now let me grab the device here. I'm right here, Resourceful Marcus. Alright, and then we'll slide this back in here, in the base. There we go, it's locked in. Okay, the water's in. Now we got to plug her in. Let's turn the camera around this way. I'm trying to get you to follow me here. Okay, I'm over here now. Gotta plug her in. Not sure how long it's going to take to heat up. Let's unwrap the cord here. So this is the first time I've ever used one of these. So I'm learning. We learn every day, right? Resourceful Marcus. Trying to make useful videos for you with ideas and helpful tips. And maybe you can take some of that and use it and whatever. You don't have to like my videos 100%. I just ask that my videos be respected. As a YouTube creator, I just want to be respected. I'm a small YouTube channel. I put quite a bit of time and effort into my channel. I put actually some money into my channel because that's how it is. It costs money to set a channel up and to run it. Alright, so now I'm going to plug her in here. Okay. Alright. I think it says it's supposed to heat up in 30 seconds. I don't know, there's a green, see that green light there flashing? I guess when the light turns solid, that probably means it's heated up. We'll give it a sec here. I gotta grab a garment and see. We'll give it a little test here, alright? So I'm gonna pause the video for a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the garment hanging here now, and I got this unit. It's fully heated up. Didn't take long at all. Didn't even take 30 seconds. It heats up really quick, which is nice. It's portable. Now I got the garment here, and we're gonna give her a go here and see what she does. Trigger here. Let's see what she does. Take a second here to blow the steam out because it's new. There it goes. Just taking a moment because it's new, eh? Just gotta. Steaming. Nice thing about steam, it's natural. Kills all the germs and viruses. There it goes. Blowing more now. It just takes time. Now, I believe this unit you can run it for 15 minutes straight steaming. Then you have to fill the little tank again. Yeah, seems to be working good. She's steaming. I don't think I have anything. Nope, nothing covered on her. Now the trigger, you can lock the trigger. That way you don't have to keep squeezing it. I'm just squeezing it off and on. So, oh, right now I got it locked. Maybe that's the way to do it then. There we go. Yeah, best way to get the wrinkles out of clothes and quick way to launder something. You don't want to have to put it through your machine and run a full cycle, wasting all kinds of water, money, hydro, etc. This here, yeah. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. This other big unit I had, it's donezo. There we go. Beautiful. Pretty quiet, pretty effective. So this is the Butyroll handheld steamer. See? Magic. Steam. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it so far. I'll use it a couple times and I'll give it a little review. I got a section on my playlist where I'll do reviews on stuff. I'll give it the product a short review. Maybe I'll find a company out there that would like to sponsor me with some of their products and give reviews on their products. Anything's possible, right? And there we go. Steaming nice. Alright. Okay, so that's that. And then they give you those little attachments. They give you these little attachments. I'll get the camera over this way here. Right. Okay, so there's these little attachments. Where did I put those? I left them in the other room. Anyways, it comes with those two attachments. Here's the two attachments it comes with for the lint. So yeah, those will help remove. This one would probably remove really fine lint, which is pretty neat. Okay, let me unplug the. Let me swing myself around here for you. Go back over this way for a moment. Shut it off. There we go. Unplug her. Bring it back over this way here. Swing you around with me so you can follow me. Okay. Yeah, it's got some weight to it, that's for sure. These little doodads here. Okay, so there's a little fine little lip there where you snap these on. That's how it snaps on that way. Might not. It might go this way. Let's see. There, it goes that way, like that. Okay. So that's that one it would snap on. And then this one here, you would snap it on. But what I like is how fast this thing heats up. It heats up really quick. Those are kind of, don't seem to be snapping on there that good. Oh, there we go. Now it's locked in. You heard it? You heard it snap in? Ow! Thing's still hot. My own fault. Hot steam. Word of advice, don't put your hand around by this after you're using it. That was my own fault. Don't do that. Could burn yourself. Word of advice, alright? Nice unit. I like it. And I'll use it a few times and then I'll do a short little review on it. It's still warm. Sit there for a few minutes. Alright, Resourceful Marcus. Thank you as always for watching my video. I appreciate it very much. Share, subscribe, ring that bell. Comment if you want. Share the video if you would like. Come back again. I will see you again soon. And there will be more video content on my YouTube channel. Alright? Resourceful Marcus. I'm going to sign off for now. See you soon.